If you're wondering what the best Little Tikes toys are in this video, I'm going to share with you 10 Little Tikes toys that my kids cannot live without. Some can be used indoors, some outdoors, and I'm going to share with you at the very end which one is the absolute favorite from my kids as well as every other kid that comes to visit our house. I'm going to start by sharing the least expensive all the way up to the most expensive Little Tikes toys. Now, not technically a toy, but definitely a favorite from our kids is this Little Tikes chair. These are so great. They actually are very inexpensive and they're perfect for little kids. We have children that are 5 years old that can fit in this to down to 1 year old. Now, another favorite is this Little Tikes shopping cart. This one isn't very expensive either, and I found this is great for people who are learning how to walk because it is pretty sturdy. It's a little tall, but our 1 year old is actually really enjoying pushing this around the house. There's several reasons why this is a great buy, is because it can actually hold stuff. So even for myself, when I'm helping clean up toys, I have everyone throw the toys in here, and then we just deliver them where they go around the house. It also fits like a little doll. You can pretend like you have like a little baby in the shopping cart. And I just love any type of toy that helps kids learn how to function in the real world. And shopping carts are definitely something that I use all the time. So being able to have something like this is such a great option for little ones. Now, you might technically think of these two items here as outdoor toys, but to be honest, these kind of stay inside a lot of the time in our house and are so fun for indoor play with kids. And that is the Little Tikes Princess Cozy Coupe, as well as the Little Tikes truck here. Now, this one is less expensive than this one, and this one is advertised, I think, as early as about 1 year old. This one says 18 months old, so I think this one is a little bit bigger. These are so fun. When I was a little kid, I remember playing around in one of these, and I love that they have the updated truck model. Now, you can also go ahead and get the gas station, which is so fun, especially for that same idea of being able to teach kids how to function in the real world. I literally tell my kids, like, okay, go, it's time to fill up the gas in your car. So they drive over here and then they fill it all up, and it's just so fun. And having two of them, if you have more than one kid, is really fun because then they can kind of play chase around the house, or they're driving together. Sometimes we do like a bumper cars kind of. But look at this one here. The truck actually has like a tailgate that lifts up. Sometimes kids will sit in the back and then another kid will actually drive. There's also cup holders, which makes it really fun for like little adventures outside. I found these work really well on the grass, especially this one because it has these really big wheels. This one maybe not so much on the grass because, as you can see, the wheels are a little bit smaller, but this one is so fun. I love that it's pink. It's very girly. Another favorite thing about this is the doors that open and close. This one doesn't have a lock. It kind of looks like it locks. It might have just been how we assembled it, but it doesn't actually lock. But this one over here actually does lock. So that's probably why this one is a little bit better for suited like on the grass. Now, another reason why I purchased this is because my little baby always wants to be carried around the house, but honestly, I'm pregnant right now and I can't actually carry her all the time. So what I did was I bought this to be able to push her around the house in. And it's been really fun because I just set her in here, she holds on, she pretends like she's driving, and I could transport her around the house without having to carry her around. Another thing that they really love is the little horns, the little steering wheel. I mean, it's just so fun for creative and imaginative play. So I highly recommend these Little Tikes truck and cozy coupe, especially for kids under 5. And here's also a closer look at the gas station. It actually comes with batteries here, and well, it doesn't come with the batteries. I think we installed them, but it makes sounds. And you can actually do like a little pretend credit card. This little hose nozzle actually fits really well into the truck and the cozy coupe, and then it just goes inside like that. So I definitely recommend, especially the cars for the little kids. Now another really fun toy, especially for outdoors, is the Little Tikes barbecue. This one is so fun. We didn't totally set it up. I think we put the stickers on wrong, but that's okay. It opens and closes like this, and it also has like a little cubby down here for storing stuff. It has a little pretend burner here, and it makes what's supposed to make noise when you press, or no, maybe it doesn't. I think this one it's like a clicky sound. It has a little pretend faucet here, and it actually comes with some cooking utensils like tongs and a spatula, and then it also came with some little barbecue like buns. Of course, we've lost a lot of the pieces, but this is such a fun thing because we have the real barbecue here. So when Daddy's barbecuing, then the little ones like to come and pretend like they're barbecuing here, and it kind of helps keep them away from using that one. Now another really inexpensive Little Tikes toy that gets a lot of play with at our house is just this little red bouncy ball. It has a nice handle. It's really sturdy. We probably need to inflate it a little bit with a little more air, but this thing is so fun. The kids love bouncing on it. One thing though is that they do end up taking this and like trying to hit each other, so you kind of have to tell them not to do that because it gets a little dangerous. But other than that, this is so fun. It'd be fun to have 2 of these so that the kids can race each other. But even with one, it's such a great way for the kids to get exercise outside, and it does stay outside, but you could actually probably have this indoors as well. All right, a really great solution to outdoor storage for toys was this Little Tikes chest. This was such a great game changer because we always have so many toys that float around outside, and getting the kids to clean up can be really difficult, but having a receptacle for all the toys to go has been so helpful. And I love the size of this because even the littles can get in there and be able to get things out. It opens and closes. The lid actually comes off really easily, and it stores a lot of items inside, and it's weatherproof. We keep it right outside in our backyard, and this has just been so great for storage. I mean, having a storage solution was really a game changer. We didn't have one before, and buying this has really helped solve that problem. All right, now these 2 Little Tikes toys I'm really excited to share with you because these are just so fun. Obviously, if you've seen any of my other content, I love cooking, and so teaching my kids how to cook and is such a priority to me. So buying these little tiny kitchen toys was such a game changer. Our littlest one loves these. Like every day she comes over here, she pretends like she's cooking. She's got the little refrigerator. These are 2 separate toys that you purchase. I also purchased the they have a dishwasher, but I also purchased the laundry machine and washer and dryer set, but I'm still waiting for my husband to set those up. But let me show you the refrigerator and the stove. Okay, we have a French door refrigerator. I've shared that in other videos, but this is like a little tiny French door refrigerator. It comes with a little ice maker and these really cute little clips here, and it makes this little sound here. You can turn this off. And then I think it has like a little light, but it's kind of fun to have like a little sound option. Now, obviously we have lost a lot of the pieces, or they're somewhere around the house, but it came with a few kitchen like refrigerator items, but it has a freezer compartment here with a handle. But having these things in general are just fun for little kids to be able to practice opening and closing doors, and having these little shelves. There's 2 shelves that come with this. There were little ice cubes, but the ice cubes my daughter kept putting in her mouth, so I threw those away. The ice cubes fit in there, and then this actually becomes like a little ice cube dispenser with a little cup, so that's really fun. This is not part of the set. This is something else, but I really highly recommend this little refrigerator for especially little kids that just want to be in the kitchen with you all the time. Now, another one is this little stove. This is so fun. Having the ability to pretend like you're cooking when you're a little baby. It's just so cute. And you could put this on like a pedestal to make it higher up. It's kind of small, but for little ones, this is great. It came with this little skillet and this little pretend egg. Some of these are actually, these are part of the barbecue that I showed you earlier and in another video. So if you're wondering about accessories for the barbecue, I found them. It's a hot dog and a little spatula. So that's why I love buying multiple Little Tikes toys, because actually they're pretty interchangeable with their parts. But this is like a little ice cream. And I think this I think the stove also came with this little bacon, but this is so cute. Like, the kids love pretending that they're cooking up eggs and bacon in a little skillet. This also makes some nice clicking noises and sounds like you're boiling stuff. And these little buttons are fun. Like, the kids love having the opportunity to be able to like push a button and make a sound and feel like they're actually doing something. It comes with a little baking tray and some little chocolate chip cookies. The cookies are a big hit, but I don't have that in here right now. But you can kind of see there would be like a little tray and cookies in there. And this is just so fun. So I highly recommend this. And be sure to check out the links in the description below where you can purchase these items online and have them sent directly to your home. Now I'm going to share with you the most popular Little Tikes toy that everybody loves. Everyone who comes over notices it. All the kids want to play with it, so let's go. All right, the number one most popular Little Tikes toy that we have in our home, we have like 11 different Little Tikes toys that I've shared with you in this video, but is the rocket ship, okay? If you've never seen this, this was so fun. This was a Christmas gift that we bought last Christmas. Every kid that comes over wants to play in the rocket ship. Every parent that comes over like points it out and goes, wow, that's so cool, you know? And it's so fun for a few reasons. Let me share with you exactly why. All right, here's what the inside of the rocket ship looks like. It's got all these fun switches and things to push and lights and little things like that. And it just really feels like you're in a rocket ship. It has this really great chair that swivels around. I've had kids in here that are even up to like 8 or 9 years old come and sit in here. It's probably a little small for them. I would say this is great for 3, 4, 5 years old, but even our little one, she loves to come in here too. This is so fun because it's like a little looking hole. It's cute to be able to see the little kid's face when they're in there. This also comes down like that, so it pretends like you're in a little galaxy. It's just such a fun little toy. Now there's also this really fun compartment that kids can crawl in and out of right there, and that is probably one of the favorite parts for especially the littles. They always love crawling in and out of that. And here's what that little door looks like. It has like this little steering wheel and a little handle, and then there's a handle here. Now another fun thing is like the little mini electrical box right here. This is like really fun. The kids always love playing with this. There's like, it comes with I think 3 of these little rubber tubes that you could pretend like you're floating out in space and doing a little repair. We do so much imaginative, creative play with this rocket ship. This has been such a great buy. Now, I'm so over buying toys that have like a million little pieces. So instead of spending money on toys that have like all these little pieces to pick up and lose and all that, I've been just really enjoying buying these Little Tikes toys for the kids to have a lot of imaginative play, and it's just been so worth it. And honestly, these are not that expensive, especially compared to the cost of some other toys available. So be sure to check out the links in the description below for where you can purchase all of these Little Tikes. Most of them are available on Amazon. The ones that aren't available, I'm going to share links in the description below of where you could purchase them as well. So be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more worth at home finds. And I hope that you enjoyed this. Let me know in the comments below if you have any of these Little Tikes toys and if your kids are enjoying them and your thoughts. And I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.